Alright, hi everybody. I wanted to make a quick video on the subject of how you guys can design your home workouts. So I have a lot of clients, friends whom I see training now at their home, and many of them would end up doing random workouts. So what I have noticed is that a lot of girls would end up training legs every single day. I see a lot of people following certain YouTube channels and they would do total body workouts every single day. Yeah, there are these things can be done, but I personally have experienced on my own body and everybody that I've coached that there is a rest time needed for the muscles to recover before you can train them again. Alright, so probably training the total body every single day or just train or girls like doing legs every single day would end up hurting you a lot more than benefiting you. Your knees would start paining after a point in time, your joints would start paining because they will not be able to take that kind of load and stress every single day. Alright, so please stop doing random workouts. Create a workout program for yourself. So my recommendation. Alright, this is how it goes. So for somebody who's an absolute beginner, I would suggest, let's say Monday you do an upper body workout. Alright, Tuesday you do abs. Alright, your core. Wednesday you do the lower body, legs. Alright, and then you repeat this for the next 3 days. Alright, and then you take Sunday as a complete off. So by doing this, you would be training your lower body twice in the week, alright, and then you would be training your upper body twice a week, and then obviously you would be doing your abs also twice in that week. Yeah, so that's a decent gap between when you train these muscles again, so they will be able to recover. You will not stress your joints, and then yes, absolutely, you should eat right along with your workouts so that you see results. Alright, so just don't go crazy training hard without following a decent diet plan. Alright, now somebody who's not an absolute beginner, maybe slightly advanced. Alright, so girls who are slightly advanced, they may train their lower body thrice in the week. Alright, so you can create a split like that, wherein Monday they start with legs, Wednesday is again legs, and Friday is again legs. Alright, and then they can have 2 days of the upper body, which is like a Tuesday and Thursday. Alright, and then in between you can do some bit of abs, and the 6th day you may want to dedicate it solely to abs, so that is also acceptable. Alright, for boys I would recommend that you give equal weightage to your upper body and your lower body, and absolutely core is absolutely essential. Alright, you may want to give 1 full day to your arms. For boys, if you feel the need to do so, I personally do not recommend it. Alright, so that's how you design a workout for the week, and then search on YouTube, see what body part you're supposed to do, and then you search on YouTube as to upper body workout, and then follow those exercises if you need guidance. Alright, next day search for a lower body workout, and then follow that if you want to, but don't just do random workouts that will not affect or help you in any which ways. Alright, so once this is sorted, next thing, when you do these workouts, please make a note, make a diary, and see how many sets were you able to do and how many reps did you do in these sets for each exercise. Alright, now once you have that written down, say whatever you did on Monday, the next Monday when you do the same workout, try that you do better than the last workout. So if you did 10 repetitions of squats for 5 sets, this time you may want to do 10 reps for 6 sets, or you may want to do 15 repetitions or maybe 11 repetitions for 5 sets. This is called progressive overload. Alright, if you got weights at home, you may want to increase the weight, though first you should increase your repetitions and then you should focus on increasing the weight. Yeah, but if you don't have weights, it's fine, just increase the number of repetitions. So by doing this, what you are trying to focus on is creating a progressive overload for your body. That is how your body responds to workouts and tends to shape up, and that's how you get fitter. Alright, so that's extremely important. Cool. that's done. Then another thing that you have to take care of is that you make sure that you do it with the right form. All right, I see people doing all sort of exercises without. If you don't know the form, ask somebody who does, even if you have to pay for it. But do not do workouts with incorrect forms. You will over a period of time get injured. All right, so that's again another thing that I wanted to bring out. Third most important thing is I see people picking up weird objects which are not even I would say weighing equally across, for example, a cylinder, and I see them doing clean and presses. They would pick up things, one hand is lighter than the other hand. These things would create imbalances. So if you do not have weights, if you do not have the equipment that you're using is not balanced with respect to weight on both sides, chuck them, don't use them. Train on body weight, even that will help you. All right, but don't pick up such weird objects. All right, next, create NEAT. All right, which is active calories that you're burning by staying, so calories that you are burning by staying active throughout the day. All right, so something like make sure that you have at least 10,000 steps covered in a given day, every single day for the entire week. All right, even on a Sunday. So now that means that so if you have a smartwatch, it will tell you have you not covered 10,000 steps. But otherwise, I mean, mentally you should know that I would be probably walking for half an hour, for 45 minutes, something like that every single day, because NEAT is what creates some bit of calorie deficit, complements the workouts that we do, and then obviously followed with the right diet plan, you would get into great shape and you will get fitter. All right, so make sure that you do that. Cool. Then I just wanted to share that I have a workout. I have a couple of videos around workouts. One is how you work out decides how you look. I would put a link with this video. Look at that video, maybe it will help you design your workouts even better. I also created a video on how much you should be resting between your sets when you train, on what all kind of exercises, be it cardio or whatever. So I'll put a link for that video too with this video, and follow it, look at it, maybe that will also help you design your programs a lot better. With that said, finally, if somebody is interested in taking personal trainings from me, I am a fitness coach. I train myself. I'm an athlete too. So if you need any kind of guidance, training support, customized plans, I'll put a link for my signups in the video, and you may want to reach out to me or sign up if you want to, for us to be able to train together and help you get to your fitness goals. So with that said, I'll bring an end to this video. I really hope that you find this video to be useful, and train hard, train safe, please train right. All right, all of you have a good day.